So let's drop in. And dropping in, making sure that you feel supported. If we're going to be looking at restoration, restoring ourselves, we don't want to feel that we are rigid or have to hold ourselves. You can have an upright, lovely aligned spine if that feels good for you, but also allow yourself to be supported by the chair or the bed or whatever you're on. And you may like to enjoy some deeper, lovely deep breaths and enjoy a sigh as you breathe out. Just really welcoming mind, body, and heart into this space. And letting go of any expectations and simply offer yourself this gift. The next 25 minutes, just for you. What if this profound, compassionate rest is the kindest thing you can give yourself right now? And this time of restoration that's just for you, it's a time for restoration not because you've earned it, because you are human and you are worthy. So breathing in deeply if that feels comfortable, letting your body fill up and breathing out any tension, any holding. Lovely, deep, easy breaths. And that sigh being a signal to the body that you can just relax. This is your time. And so, as I've mentioned, for many of us, resting, pausing, allowing ourselves to nourish ourselves in this moment may not feel easy. We may have been conditioned to believe that it's lazy, indulgent, even selfish. And like me, you may have been praised for your productivity, your self-sacrifice, and endless doing. So it's no wonder when you pause, maybe there's a sense of guilt or discomfort, or maybe a sense of, oh, I need to get back to something more important. But today, what if rest, this restoration, was the most important thing you could do for yourself and maybe even for others? What if this was a gateway to something deeper, kinder, warmer? And you don't need to change anything. You don't need to change the way you feel or are thinking right now. Just simply noticing. And you may like to place your hand over your heart or on your tummy and acknowledge your commitment to practice, your commitment to your mental health and well-being, your happiness. You may like to even say some kind words to yourself, such as, welcome, my friend, I see you. You're okay just as you are. You can rest now. And relaxing the hand down when that feels good, letting the breath ease you into relaxation, sending a signal to your nervous system. I am safe. I am allowed to rest right now. And so imagining you are slowly, gently sinking into a soft, welcoming surface. Maybe like moss underfoot. Oh, so soft. Or maybe a warm, supportive bed. Each breath softens you. Each breath enables you to drop ever deeper into this place of rest. Remembering there's nothing to fix, nothing to achieve, nothing to do. You have already arrived, you're already here. Just gently being, simply being. Breathing and resting. And if any agitation, any resistance, any tension arises, I wonder if you can allow that, let it be all right. Perfectly natural. The thoughts may come and go, the sensations will also come and go. Just allow yourself to breathe, to be breathed, and to rest. Offering compassion for any parts of you that are resisting. We can love and soothe these parts too. And as Rick Hanson so wisely reminds us, deep within, beyond all the noise of the mind, there's a place of wakefulness, benevolence, and wisdom. When the mind settles, you can begin to recognize it, that steady witnessing presence, untroubled and aware. So let's turn gently towards this presence now. Where in your body or awareness can you sense this stillness? this boundless witnessing presence. Just be curious, you don't need to know. It may feel spacious, you may simply get an experience of loving, unshaken spaciousness. Or maybe a whisper of peace and quiet. Whatever it is for you, just simply resting in this now. Breathe with it. And as you rest here, know that you are offering your whole body and being, your mind and heart, nourishment. Rest is medicine. Rest as an act of trust and self-compassion. Rest as an act of love for yourself and others. When we rest, we allow our whole body to repair, the mind to soften, and our tender hearts to open. Stillness isn't something we have to earn or create. It's always here with us, within us. A loving space we can remember, reconnect, and return. Return to ourselves again and again. And if you notice restlessness arising, offering yourself whatever you need, maybe a deeper breath, some soothing touch, some words of reassurance. Hey, that's okay. It's perfectly natural. I can just pause here. I don't even need to label it rest. I can pause and open and receive. Dropping ever deeper into this vast, boundless presence of awareness. And there's no need to search for it. You can call off the search, simply softening, allowing, and just letting it be. Nothing to do. Simply opening and deepening into this loving intention to rest and restore. Allowing this deep presence within you that is always loving and kind, vast, spacious awareness to hold you, especially in moments of deep rest. And as you rest here, opening to hear the words of this poem, Restoration. Come, dear heart, take off your heavy coat. You've carried the day long enough. Lay it down like worn bark beside a forest path, soft and waiting. Tread gently now, as if on moss, cool, green, velvet silence. Let each step hush the clamour. Each breath blooms like twilight hush. Inside you is a house of light. Let rest be your return. Each pause a stroke of bold leaf upon walls you forgot were holy. Even resist holds rest, a secret tucked in its spine. Your will to keep going is familiar, but your willingness to stop is wise. Rest is not idle, nor empty, nor weak. It is a mending, a remembering. It is the still brush rinsing clean in the clear water of your awareness. Settle now into the witnessing presence, the one who never left, that waits behind thought's curtain, calm as dusk, soft as breath. This is your soul's lullaby, a balm for the bright burnt edges. In this quiet, you are whole again, comforted, cradled, seen. Let go of the noise, beloved. Let the sublime find you open. Rest is a doorway you do not need to earn. Just step in and be home. And so taking a few more moments to just rest at home in this awareness. And so when you're ready, if it feels right for you, enjoying a lovely, deep, cleansing, restorative breath, offering that warm smile of appreciation for your practice today, for giving yourself this time to rest deeply in your own loving, kind presence. And let this awareness be your guide. Let it carry you. Let it guide your day or evening so that you feel well rested for the new day and the new dawn. And just noticing how you're feeling after honoring all parts of you with this deep, profound rest.